Today is a weekday, so it means that I go to work. Join me at my work so that you can see what we all do, and I hope you enjoy it. So let's go. Look how beautiful. Nice. Draai die eens om.
Vandaag terug niks te zien.
Ja, oké, dat je weet hoe dat in elkaar zit. Hè.
Dat is niet helemaal op te hangen. Hè.
There's also a bird house, bird house for little birds. You see the little birds here? They are little birds. So that is the old clothes, old jeans or other stuff, and we let you see now the steps how we're gonna do it to make this the bar in another how do you say it?
Clothes, yeah.
Another design.
Design, yes, yeah.
Yeah, design. Ze mogen normaal doen, hè. So you can see now what she's gonna do. I'm gonna help her. So that's the pants, and it's a pant that is
Not stretch, yeah.
broken. So they cannot use it anymore. That's why we use it for other things. So that's the first step that you're gonna do. And I didn't present me. We are here on the start. It's the name from the place that we work, the start. You already saw the first video with Wannes, my colleague. Yeah, so that's the same place. Normally we do it this way. Look, you turn it inside out, yeah, so that you can see where you cut. We have two parts. It's this part and this. This we don't cut. We cut this part. So now you can cut. So that is also something that we do here, like that you can do things on to remember. So that's all made from old jeans. So we don't throw away nothing. So and that's also same thing. And also the chairs. Okay. So now you see she already cut a little pieces, and that's what I just show you. All these little pieces came together and we did a chair or a bureau. See? So that's all the little pieces that we're gonna put together. So now she did a sign so she can cut it very nice. Say hello. Say hello. Voilà. So that's the finish from the dog that Marco was made, and it's for plants. You can put a little beautiful flower or something. So that's the back side. Een beetje inzoomen. And look how beautiful, wow. Ziet je mij, hè? Je moet kijken dat je hem ook ziet. Hè? So that's the new bag. No, that's not a new bag. That's a bag that we buy, but we're gonna make ourselves the same bag. So, and the same bag is with this piece. We have cut it, and now we try to put it together. So follow me. Het is gewoon filmen. Hè? Doe maar, we praten tussendoor. Hè? Je moet doen alsof we hier direct normaal zijn. Hè? Zit je mij erop? Ben ik knap op video? Spelen. Het is gewoon, dat wil niet zeggen dat die film erop komt. Hè? Ik ga eerst kijken zelf of ik dat goed vind. Want anders... Dus, normaal moet ik laten zien hoe die dat knippen, voor wat dat is. Weet je? Maar dat hebben we niet vandaag. So I have today a camera woman. She does it very good. I think. Verstaat je Engels? Ja? Als je moe zit, zeg dat, want dat hoeft niet een ganse stuk te zijn. Hè. Totdat je gaan stikken bent en dan moet je op stop. Maar je mag praten, hè. Dat wordt weggeknipt, hè. Dan moet staan niet horen. Pak die maar, film die maar. Die wil op de film. Je gaat zien, op die andere filmpjes zijn veel daarop pippen. Met zijn dansen. So now we try to put it under the machine, but it's difficult because it's very hard material. This is something like plastic, and it's not easy to do it. So we try. Als je ziet op de nummertjes dat er pak 5 minuten op staat, dan moet je aan stop doen. Dus niet uitdoen, gewoon op stop, hè? Pauze eigenlijk, denk ik is dat. So it must be like this. And it's not easy to do it. You have to find something like that. Is er nog geen 5 minuten? So we're going to try to turn it. This one. You see how difficult it is? It's not easy. Let's try to find the right position. It's not possible. Nee, dat gaat niet. Dat toch niet gaan weer zien. Zeg als 5 minuten erop is, hè. Stop ik. Het is heel moeilijk wat hij mij aanbiedt, Wannes. So it's too difficult. I'm gonna try to do with the hand. Maybe then I can do the rest with the machine. Ik moet stoppen eigenlijk dan. Moet je alles stopzetten. So now we have it. I've put it with the hand. And now I'm doing it with the machine. Mag me niet uitkijken.
Je kunt de VTM camera voor gaan spelen.
Ja, dat is nu mijn producer. Producer.
Daar zijn we toch mee bezig.
Wat zit jij aan het doen? Is dat niet hetzelfde wat jij doet?
Ik ben hier dus.
Je doet op je gsm. So now it's okay. Let's try. So you see it's difficult because it's a... Now normally it's done. Okay. Ja, ik moet stoppen.